Yes. Got Papa out walking today. He took the weekend off, but he's off walking today. He's had a bath and he's done exercises and he's walking the driveway. He's walked it twice already and he's going up for the third lap, looks like. He's all the way up to the Buick. If he needs a rest, the Buick's a good leaning post. But I don't think he needs a rest. He's doing real good. He's turning around. He's turning around at the garage. And he's coming back. Almost 3 weeks after surgery. Will be Wednesday. So he's doing really good. Not too many pain pills lately. He's spacing them out really good. He sleeps a lot, but that's good. He needs to rest.
Eats a lot, but not gaining weight.
He's not gaining weight. He's 188 pounds. Actually, he looks thin. I'm sort of worried about him. You know how it gets when you get a little bit thin. Everybody gets scared to death. He's losing too much weight. He's losing too much weight. Now he's back down. He's turning around again. I'm gonna make it back to the garage this time, Papa. Gonna make it to the garage this time? No. He wants me to bring the Buick down, so I don't know. We'll see how it goes.
We'll make it.
We'll make it, he said.
This is gonna be it. I don't want to overdo it.
He don't want to overdo it, he said, so this is gonna be it.
That was too much pain.
And I'm not a good videoer, so I get off space sometimes, but it's okay. I'm getting him anyway. So here we go for the last round up to the door. He had a good breakfast, BLT, took a shower, did exercise. Now he's walking. So that's good. We're back to the door.
See y'all another day.
See you another day.